Early Goryeo.
Hello, my name is Remco Breuker, Professor of Korean Studies at Leiden University in the Netherlands. I did my degree there in Korean history, and I also studied at Seoul National University. I specialized in medieval Korean history, Goryeo history, and I'll talk to you about the Goryeo dynasty, the Goryeo state, in this lecture. The Goryeo period is a crucial period between antiquity, the period of the Three Kingdoms and Silla, on the one hand, and between the Joseon period, a much better known period that came after the Goryeo period. The Goryeo period is crucial in connecting these two very different periods. And what I will do today is talk to you about the role of foreigners in early Goryeo. So roughly the first half of the Goryeo period, which lasted a long time, 5 centuries, which is for a dynasty in pre-modern East Asia really quite long. By looking at the role of foreigners in Goryeo, we will be able to see what kind of position Goryeo occupied in East Asia and even in the world during the 10th until the, roughly 14th century. We'll also be able to see how the Goryeo state and how Goryeo society was formed, how it took shape while receiving influences from, for example, China, but also from Manchuria. And through doing this, we'll also be able to take a close look at the diversity of Goryeo's international activities, its diplomatic relations, its trade relations. And finally, when this is something I think which will show us how important this period was in Korean history, we will be able to answer this question. Where did the name Korea come from? Well, the name Korea came from Goryeo. It was probably introduced in other parts of the world, and not just in China or Manchuria or Japan, but also, for example, in the Middle East, in other parts of Eurasia, by merchants who traded with Goryeo, or perhaps by Korean, or Koryoan, I should perhaps say, merchants who traveled abroad. The fact that we still call Korea today, Korea in English or in any other language that is European, tells us a lot about the international nature of the Goryeo period. So let's go to the first topic.